Greetings from Akmena Nudist Beach, or at least few 100 meters away from the main beach. That was actually a bit crowded on this Sunday, 22nd of September 2024, and I can't film on a nudist beach when there are people on it, so I respect those boundaries and have opted for this nice spot very close to the nudist beach, just less than 100 meters in that direction, in this beautiful forest in Trakai. And this is a different lake, Lake Akmena, that is different from the main lake in Trakai, Gavle, that I have taken a swim before. And yes, it is time to explore yet another lake here in the beautiful nature in Trakai. So here in Akmena Lake there is one main public beach that is in that direction, and I see it is completely empty as far as I can see from here. I'm gonna visit that in a bit. It's less than 1 kilometer, and the nudist beach in that direction, that there is a bit crowded, few people over there today. So I decided anyway just to show you the settings, the nature settings around the nudist beach, and I will take a swim as well in the lake. So the nudist beach is now under sun, and I think it will have sun throughout the most of the day, and it is the only official nudist beach in Trakai. There is one also nudist beach in Vilnius that I have visited yesterday. I can't remember the name now, but it started with something with Vakuilainte something. Okay, I need to double check that, but yes. So nudist beach in this nature, so it's quite amazing. So let's then go in for a swim here at Akmena Lake. It looks super nice and amazing indeed. So yes, actually I have been exploring Trakai today, and I have only 1 hour and 20 minutes until my train departs from Trakai to Vilnius. So I need to get going, as I have 5 kilometers way back, and I also want to visit the public beach. So let's then take a quick swim here today. Here on this 22nd of September we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the lake I just measured, it is 21 degrees Celsius. So amazing. Beautiful setting, as you can see, in the beautiful nature, and the lake looks super clean as well. Alright, let's then dive in here at Akmena Nudist Beach. Let's go. So amazing. Then now here for a few minutes until I head back to the public beach that is in that direction. Akmena Lake this is, and the Akmena Nudist Beach, at least the proximity of it. Alright then, that's a wrap from Akmena Nudist Beach. At least I have seen it, but I haven't shown you the full picture, as it is quite a warm day and a Sunday, so of course it's gonna be crowded on a day like this. But greetings from Akmena, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.